I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to recover your Meetup account. For that, first of all, open up your Meetup app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of login. Tap on it. On middle section of your screen, there you can see the option of forgot password. Tap on it. Enter your email address linked to your account to receive password reset instructions. Then tap on send. Now Meetup will send you an email, so open up your mail. There you'll see the option of reset your password. Tap on it. Now create a new password and then tap on go. Then select login. Enter your email address and your newly set password and then tap on login. This way you can recover your Meetup account if you have forgotten your password. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.